Hi, yes, we are going to do fish kalia. Welcome to my channel, The Purple Box. At The Purple Box, we create very easy and simple dishes which can be easily done at home. Like this one. This is a Bengali delicacy which is very easy to make. Our machher kalia. Let's quickly check out the ingredients. Jeera powder. I am using masala made by Pansari Masalas. Haldi powder. You just watch it now. I will give you a list of the ingredients later. Dhania powder. Again Pansari Masalas. Kashmiri red chili powder. I prefer using this because these are less hot, less spicy. I like it like that. Then Kalo Jeera or Kalonji, again by the Pansari group. So Jeera powder, Haldi powder, Dhania powder, Lal Mirch powder and Kalonji, all by Pansari Masale. Now some salt and some whole Kali Mirch or whole black pepper, and we will be doing the cooking in mustard oil, and some tomatoes and chilies. Let's go cooking. We are going to do our machher kalia with Kalo Jeera bata. This is an authentic Bengali dish. Spread some oil on the fish pieces, then some salt and some haldi powder, and rub the oil with turmeric powder, haldi powder and salt well on the fishes on both the sides, and then allow them to settle down for around half an hour. Now after half an hour, take oil on a pan, heat them and then fry the pieces which were marinated in oil, haldi powder and salt. Now fry the fishes properly. After some time, very gently turn the pieces of fishes, otherwise they will break. You have to be very careful with this fish. Again after some time, give it another turn, then take them out and keep them aside. Now on the same oil, take the tomato pieces and allow them to cook. Add some salt, then the haldi powder, the jeera powder, dhania powder, the red mirch powder, and then mix everything well. It has to cook very nicely because it's a very simple dish, but you have to do it in the right way. Otherwise, it won't taste good. Now reduce the temperature and cover it. See, it's cooking inside. After some time, when the tomatoes have gone soft, take off the lid and gradually press the tomatoes so that the tomatoes become very soft and turn into a smooth gravy. Do like our video. Now add some water, half cup of water maybe, and just make the gravy smooth. Then gradually place the fish pieces in the gravy, and it's a trick. With the spatula, just spread the gravy on the upper part of the fish. This is a very delicate cooking. If you turn the fish at this point, it might break. So instead, you push the gravy on the upper part. Allow them to cook for some time, and then add the green chilies, which will add some flavor to the dish. Meanwhile, I have made a paste of the kalonji or the Kalo Jeera and the black pepper powder, and we are going to add this at the end. Now follow the movement of the spatula. Just make small circular motions so that the kalonji paste or the Kalo Jeera paste mixes with the existing gravy. As discussed earlier, I am giving you a list of the ingredients. Please make a note of it, take a screenshot so that you can share it with your friends or refer to it later. Now see how I am pushing the gravy gradually and spreading it all over on the dish. Cover it and keep it for some time. When it starts boiling, your dish is ready. This is our authentic Bengali fish kalia or aar machir kalia. Yummy! See, it's gone to the serving dish. I can't wait to have it. Do make it at home. In the comment section, write how your family enjoyed it. Till then, bye.